Hello, everybody. It's Ricky from Working for Vacations. We're at the Animal Kingdom Lodge, room 4506. Give you a quick rundown of the room. You walk in the door. We have a closet with a safe, a steamer, hangers, extra storage. Turn to the left is the bathroom. It's got a double sink. Then the bathroom is a tub shower combination with a regular toilet. This is the 2-bed queen. So you have the queen beds, you have the art on the wall. We have a nice dresser, TV, coffee station. Looks like there is a nice refrigerator to store things in, ice bucket. But the key to this room, say hi, Emma.
Hi.
Table to sit at, but the key to this room is the magnificent view.